Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we have a very special story for you. This story is about a common English phrase, when pigs fly. What does it mean? It means something will never happen. It's impossible. But in our story today, maybe, just maybe, it's not so impossible. Let's begin our story, When Pigs Fly. Once upon a time, in a small sunny town, there lived a pig named Percy. Percy was not like the other pigs. The other pigs loved to roll in the mud and eat yummy food all day. Percy loved these things too, but he had a secret dream. Percy wanted to fly. Every morning, he would look up at the sky. He watched the birds soar high above the farm. "Oh, how I wish I could fly like them," he would sigh. The other farm animals laughed at him. "Pigs can't fly, Percy," clucked Henrietta the hen. "It's impossible," mooed Daisy the cow. "That will only happen when pigs fly." They all joked. This made Percy sad, but it did not stop him from dreaming. One day, a kind old inventor named Arthur moved into the house next to the farm. Arthur loved to create amazing things. He had a big workshop full of tools, gears, and strange-looking parts. Percy was very curious. He would often peek through the fence to see what Arthur was building. Arthur noticed the little pig watching him every day. "Hello there, little fellow," he said one afternoon, wiping his hands on a cloth. "My name is Arthur, what's yours?" Percy just oinked, but he looked up at the sky and then back at Arthur's workshop. Arthur was a smart man, he understood. "Ah, you want to fly, don't you?" Percy oinked excitedly and wiggled his curly tail. "Well," said Arthur, "they say pigs can't fly, but they never met me." So, Arthur and Percy started a secret project. Every day, after finishing his work, Arthur would bring strange materials to the barn. He had large pieces of colourful cloth, long thin pieces of wood and lots of rope. Percy helped in his own way. He would bring Arthur tools and oink with encouragement. Together, they built a pair of magnificent wings. They were pure white, glowing softly in the morning light. Arthur carefully attached the wings to Percy. They fit him perfectly. The day came to test the wings. They went to the top of a small grassy hill. Percy was a little scared, but also very excited. The other farm animals gathered below, curious to see what would happen. "He's really going to do it," they whispered. Arthur checked the straps one last time. "Are you ready, my friend?" he asked. Percy took a deep breath and oinked a brave oink. With a running start, Percy ran down the hill. He flapped the wings just as Arthur had shown him. For a moment, nothing happened. He just hopped along the ground. The other animals started to laugh again. But then a strong gust of wind came. It lifted the wings, and suddenly Percy's little feet were no longer on the ground. He was flying. He wasn't soaring high like an eagle, but he was floating gently above the fields. "Look, he's flying! Percy is flying!" shouted the animals below. They couldn't believe their eyes. A pig was actually flying. Percy glided through the air, his heart full of joy. He looked down at his farm, his friends, and the whole world looked so different and beautiful from above. He had done it. He had made the impossible possible. From that day on, whenever someone in the town said, "That will only happen when pigs fly," someone else would smile and say, "You mean like Percy?" And that's the end of our story. What did we learn? We learned the meaning of the phrase, "when pigs fly." But we also learned that with a dream, a good friend, and a little bit of hard work, sometimes even the impossible can happen. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you enjoyed our story today. Remember to keep practicing your English and keep dreaming big. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun English lessons. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.